The history of butter cookies were born in the 12th century. This is of the British origin. Its evolution has been developing around the 3rd century BC. The cookie appeared in Rome as a thin sponge cake to soften these cookies. The Romans used it to dip them in wine. The cookies are for everything persons.
Hi friends! In this moment I will prepare a butter cookies. The butter cookies is a recipe very easy. The ingredients is a 225 grams of flour, 7 grams of sugar, 125 grams of butter, 2 eggs, 1 yolk, and the jam. The jam is to give in the touch special. Extra utensils is a strainer, a bowl, wooden spoon, a tray, cling wrap, and paper wrap, and cutter cookies. The preparation is first the butter is add to bowl. The butter is a room temperature. Then mix the sugar with a wooden spoon. Then mix the sugar with butter. Continue adding 1 yolk, but first mix. Continue adding 1 egg. And mix. Mix the mixture. Butter, eggs, 1 yolk, perfect. Then slowly add the flour in the strainer. Perfect. When the ingredients in the bowl is together, need my hands. Once the dough is compact, put in the bowl. And cling wrap. Continue the dough put in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Okay, the dough exit of the refrigerator. Put flour in the table. A tip is divide of dough in 2 parts to facilitate the work. And with the rolling, we need the dough. Okay, Put the paper wrap in the tray. We can use butter cookies or butter. We can leave the cookies like this, or we make a middle called a middle. Put a jam. Put the butter cookies in the tray. Finally, put the cookies in the oven at 118 degrees durant 13 minutes. Okay friends, this is a result. The butter cookie is a very delicious. Drink with a milk. Share with family. Thank you.